Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung hasn't officially confirmed when this summer's official Unpacked event will take place, but the latest details about the product lineup have already leaked in new spades. A new leak is now painting a more colorful picture, revealing every alleged color, new upgrades, and storage option for Samsung's upcoming foldable variants. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The latest leak puts a name on every Galaxy Z Flip 8, Galaxy Fold 8, and Fold 8 Ultra color shades. The palette appears complete. Those devices are expected to be the Galaxy Z Flip 8, the Galaxy Z Fold 8, previously nicknamed Fold 8 Wide, and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, which will be the proper direct successor to the Galaxy Fold 7. Number 1. Galaxy Z Flip 8, color shades and storage options. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 carries model number SMF971 and will reportedly be available in these colors: cream, graphite, mint, and pink. The new Galaxy Z Flip 8 is expected to go on sale with two storage options, 256 and 512 GB. Number 2, Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, color shades and storage options. Despite the new Ultra branding, the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is expected to serve as the direct successor to the Fold 7. It carries model number SMF976, and the color range reportedly includes cream, graphite, green shadow, violet shadow. The new Samsung Z Fold 8 Ultra is expected to be available with 256, 512 GB, and 1 TB of storage. Number 3. Galaxy Z Fold 8. Color shades, and storage options. Last but not least, Samsung is expected to release a new, wider foldable model this year. Confusingly, it's likely going to be called the Galaxy Z Fold 8, plain and simple. This device is known by model number SMF978, and its color options will reportedly be cream, graphite, lavender, pistachio. The wide-body Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to hit shelves with 3 storage options, with 256, 512 GB, and 1 TB of storage, as Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Judging by the 2025 lineup and its color count, the lists above may include both standard and online exclusive options. However, the report doesn't specify which colors fall into each category. Samsung is expected to unveil these foldable phones at Unpacked later this summer. Availability details remain unknown. Various reports claim that the new Galaxy Z Fold 8 line will launch in July 22nd this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.